The Thirsty Dog is easy to use by simply flipping out the bowl and pressing with both thumbs. Pull out the spout and face it towards the bowl. When done pouring, make sure to close the spout to prevent spilling. To put away, simply press with your thumbs and flip. The Thirsty Dog features a wide mouth for easy cleaning and ice. It includes a sturdy flip-up bowl, a 20-ounce bottle, and a carrying strap. The Thirsty Dog is great for hikes, dog walks, camping, and travel. Please remember to always keep your dog well hydrated.